Hello, thanks for buying AMICCOM's smart camera. The video was to solve your problems in use. Before installing the camera, watch this video carefully to ensure that you use the product correctly so as not to cause problems with the wrong installation. Product list. First, please check the items you receive are in accordance with the packing list in the user's memo. Our product package includes manual, camera, USB cable, adapter, and accessories. Camera binding. According to the instructions in the user memo to download Java app, using email or cell phone number to complete the user registration. Then enter Java account, add the camera, and input Wi-Fi password. Then click Next. Set sound waves to start bending. Once the bending is successful, Java app will automatically jump to the camera list interface. Please note, Wi-Fi cannot be hidden. WEP is not supported. Special characters such as donor are not supported in Wi-Fi name and password. Wi-Fi cannot be 5G. It only supports 2.4G. SD card installation. Improper operation when inserting SD card may damage the SD card. Please operate as follows. SD card only supports FAT32. It makes support 128G of memory. The speed of reading and writing of the card must be above C6+. If the speed is lower than this, the camera will be unable to record or slow down. Installation location. In the location where the camera is installed, there must be a full Wi-Fi signal. You can put your mobile phone in the location of the camera to test whether there is a full Wi-Fi signal. If the Wi-Fi signal is not good, it will cause video transmission jam or the machine goes offline. Live video. After syncing successfully, click the camera interface to view live video. Smooth, SD, and HD video definition are available. Users can click the red icon on the left to make a record. The recorded video will be stored in the embed of the app. Video playback. Click Playback and select the date and time you wish to play back. You can fast forward or backward by swiping on the time bar. Tap on the camera icon to take a screenshot while replaying the video. Two-way audio. Press the microphone icon and talk. If the volume on the phone is up, the voice from the camera could be heard in the phone. Motion alarm. You can adjust the timing of the alarm and turn on or off the alarm sound under the camera setting. It will send you a notification if someone has activated the camera by motion. This moment, you can press the alarm notification to switch to live view. Infrared light vision. Infrared light vision is automatically controlled by the camera system. It is on automatically when it is getting dark enough. Add sub-account. Sub-account allow for multiple users operate the same camera. Click Setting, Sub-account, Input password, Then click Add. Video log. Video log allows the user to watch live video and replay video only after a password. To set up video log, click the Setting button and Video log. Then draw a pattern to create a video log. If you have any problems in use, please check our after-sales website, which may help you. If the after-sales website cannot solve your problem, please feel free to contact us by email. Please provide your order number, camera ID, address, and telephone number in the email, so that we can quickly and accurately solve your problem. Thank you for your watching.